Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the find and replace option on your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the find and replace option on your Microsoft Office Word web. So I'm just going to paste something here. Okay, it's actually my topic about what I just teaching or creating videos about. So now I just need to change the MS Office Word into Office Word. So MS Office Word web to the Office Word or Microsoft Office, whatever you want. So first of all, you just click on the find option on the top, or you can also use Control F, whatever the command that you want. So actually shortcut key Control F and replace Control. Just click here, you can automatically shows that. So now I just copy the thing that you want to change. So I just going to copy this and Control V paste here. Now I just need to find this. You can see the the result has been showing here. So just click this, automatically the changes has been and the highlighting option has been arrived there. So first of all, you can see so I should replace this. Just click on replace option here. Now here you have a tab, and here I just want to replace with the word, just word. Okay, after clicking this, so just click on replace. Now it shows which thing replace a particular thing. For example, I just want to replace this. Click this, automatically replaced. So the highlight shows the remaining thing. If you want to replace all, just click on replace all. Everything has been replaced. So this is simple thing. If you type anything spelling mistakenly, or after you creating a document you have found that, for example, for the Microsoft Office you type as MS Office, you can change to a Microsoft Office whenever you want by using this option. Just need to copy the entire thing, and you just need to Control V, and I just want to change as Microsoft Office. You can see everything has been found, replace all, everything has been replaced. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office where you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with survival content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.